I'm going to show you guys how we create a one variable data table and perhaps how to create a split data table. So let's go ahead and move forward with this. So Jessica also wants to determine how increasing or decreasing the number of Aspen quilts will affect gross profit. Go to the profit analysis sheet, which is right here, and then create a one variable data table as follows. So in cell G8, so right here, we are going to input, or we're going to reference the gross profit for Aspen quotes. So we're going to put a formula here that's going to reference basically the profit, projected profit, which is going to be right here. So for that, we're going to just put E equals, and that's going to be B22. Oh, my bad. This is B14. It's not that one. It wants this one. So it wants this cell. So we're going to reference this cell. So we're going to go B14. So it's going to reference this cell. We're going to press enter. All right. And then it says create one variable data table based on the Aspen cells data in the range F8 through G13. So F8 through G13. So I'm going to go ahead and mark these up like that. We're going to go to the what ifs in your data display tab, and then we're going to go here, and then we're going to go to data table. For data table, we want to reference, it says use the number of Aspen units sold as the column input cell. So for this, the amount of items sold were the 25 units sold. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the column section. So it's going to be B13. And then I'm press OK. And it automatically inputs it for us depending on each item sold. So it would just keep kind of like 30 would be this, or whatever. So then lastly, it wants us to format the range G9, and it wants us to change the format cells to a different format. So it wants us to use currency, and then it wants us to use a 0 decimal place, so 0, and it wants us to place the money sign. All right, so we're gonna press OK, and then boom. So now it changes and it looks nice and smooth. Okay, so format the range G through 13 using the currency number format with 0 decimal places and the money symbol to match the formatting in cell G8. All right, cool. And that's it.